Ayo, you won't believe what happened in April. Didn't eat so much, didn't sleep so much, and then, feeling tired all the time. And then got so much things to do, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the experience. Why am I feeling this way, okay? This is the first year I finally get some fish through ice fishing. Unfortunately, the season is quite short. This is beginning of April and the ice is slowly melting. Soon we won't be able to fish here anymore. You see those gaps there? Don't fall into that. If you fall into that, you'll be in trouble. I'm trying to get onto land. Just 1 hour ago, we still can walk, but now it's flooded with water. Luckily, I have those waterproof boots. Otherwise, it could be a big problem. It may look quite shallow, but it's quite slippery on the ice. After some courage, I managed to walk through that. When I come home, I have to pack all the fish into plastic bags so that I could freeze them. The bigger one, I plan to smoke them during the summer, and the small one, I'll grill them immediately. For some, I'll marinate them in turmeric and salt, and then sit in front of the telly and remove the meat. This is what I do in the evening for the past 1.5 weeks. Want to eat? Have to work. Algae, on the other hand, will help me to clean the kitchen after I have cleaned the fish. By the time I finish, it already turned dark. And look at the moon outside. So instead of cooking, we'll just eat the fish and just settle for a peaceful night. Luckily, Algae is not so picky. He will just eat whatever I cook without any complaint. While I sit here with my tired body, eyes closing, enjoying my moon until I fall asleep. Sometimes I could nap for 2 hours. Maybe I'm a little bit weird. Actually, I find that being tired is actually quite nice. I find that I sleep better, deeper, and I don't really need to sleep that long. Soon it's time to get up again. And this morning, I decided to go downtown to buy some decorative items. Look, it's like a ghost town here. I'm looking for a waterproof tablecloth. Unfortunately, I couldn't find them. Sometimes I'm also looking for some DIY project that I can do myself. After shopping, I met up with Algae and he brought me to this building material place where he's going to shop for some wood to build a terrace. You notice in Sweden, there's a lot of this kind of store that are built outdoor, and then you can collect the goods or load the goods by yourself. Of course, they have tools to help you too. So Algae is choosing some nice wood so that he could cut them immediately on his trailer. And now I understand why he wants to bring me here, so that I could help him. Usually this time of the year is quite unpredictable. Sometimes it can snow and sometimes can be really windy, like today. So what we do is we choose the wood that we want, cut them into the right size, and then when we are checking out, we have to pay at the cashier. In Singapore, if you were to build something like a terrace, you need to have a license, but not here in Sweden. As long as you have the skill to build what that doesn't require a license, you are free to do so. On our way home, I can't help noticing how beautiful it is outside now, especially when the sun is out. The snow may not be as white anymore, but the air is so fresh and crispy. The nature is coming back to life again. And I'm looking forward for the real spring to arrive. Meantime, I'm just going to wait patiently. And I always wonder, would you choose to live here? If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe with the notification bell on. And also, if you like to follow me outside YouTube with no restriction in content, you can check out my TikTok. I'm going to put the link in the video description below, okay? And follow me there if you enjoy the kind of content. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye guys. Mwah.